Okay, so the first step is pass de bourrée. So first you have to take your right leg and place it like this on back of your left leg. Okay, so from the beginning, take your right leg and place it back on the left leg. Then take your left leg and place it here. Okay, so then the last step is take your right leg and just place it like in forward. Okay, from the beginning, take your right leg and place it back of your left leg here, right leg here. And from this position, take your left leg, place it on back of the right leg, then right leg here, then left leg here. So from the beginning, it will look like this: 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So while doing this, we have to move your body like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so when I place right leg, my body is like this, left leg, my body is like this, and I'm placing the right leg, my body is leaning forward like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So body should be leaning like this. That's it. Okay, our next step is tic-tac-toe, and this very easy step. So take your right leg and place heel like this. Then place your left leg and place your heel like this. Now take your right leg and back to the previous position. Take the left leg and place it in the previous position. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and also while doing this, my body is leaning forward. Okay, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's it. It's very easy step. And the next step is heel and toe, and it's very easy. So now focus on the legs. Okay, so take your both leg and place it like this inwards. Then take your right leg and you have to do like this. That is, I am placing the right leg on the heel and showing it to the right direction like this. At the same time, the left leg is going inwards to the right direction with the heel up. Okay, so 1. This is like this and this is like this. So together like this. Okay, so 1 and is like coming to the first position again. Now do to the left side. When the left side, the left leg will be like this and the right leg will be like this. So together like this. So from the first very beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. The fourth step is crisscross. So let's go. First, take your right leg and it should be like this. Right leg on the front, left leg on the back. Okay. So from here, 1. Then come to the first position. Now left leg on the front like this. 2, 3. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so the body is like rotating 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's it. That's called crisscross. Fifth step is APL stomp. So it's very easy. Just take your right leg, kick it 2 times in the air, then jump to the right. Now take your left leg, kick it 2 times from the left and jump to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it. If you like the video, please do comment below, like, subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching. Bye.